Tricks number 1. Building emotional connection through empathy. Empathy is the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship. By understanding and sharing in another's emotions, you create a bond that goes beyond superficial attraction. To master this art, begin by truly listening. When she speaks, give her your full attention. Put away your phone, maintain eye contact, and reflect on what she says. This demonstrates that you value her thoughts and feelings. Empathy isn't just about understanding her words, it's about picking up on nonverbal cues as well. Notice her body language, her tone of voice, and her facial expressions. These can often tell you more than her words alone. By responding to these cues appropriately, you show that you're attuned to her needs. But empathy goes both ways. Share your own feelings and experiences as well. Vulnerability can be powerful. It shows that you trust her enough to let your guard down, and this can encourage her to do the same. However, balance is key. You don't want to overwhelm her with your emotions, but rather create a space where both of you feel safe sharing. Developing emotional intelligence is also crucial. This involves recognizing and managing your own emotions while being aware of the impact they have on others. By being in tune with your feelings, you can navigate emotional conversations with grace and sensitivity, further strengthening your connection. Tricks number 2. Creating attraction with confidence and authenticity. Confidence is attractive, but it must be grounded in authenticity. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, who know their worth, and who don't feel the need to prove themselves. True confidence isn't about bragging or putting others down. It's about being secure in who you are. One way to build confidence is to focus on your strengths and achievements. Reflect on the things you're proud of and the qualities that make you unique. When you internalize these positive aspects of yourself, it naturally boosts your self-esteem. Authenticity goes hand in hand with confidence. Be honest about who you are, what you want, and where you're going in life. Pretending to be someone you're not might win her over temporarily, but it won't lead to a lasting connection. Instead, be genuine in your interactions. If you're passionate about something, share it with her. If you have quirks, embrace them. Authenticity is refreshing and makes you stand out in a world where so many people wear masks. In addition to being authentic, show that you have direction and purpose. Women are often attracted to men who have goals and are actively pursuing them. This demonstrates that you're motivated, responsible, and capable of achieving what you set your mind to. Plus, having a sense of purpose gives you a sense of fulfillment and happiness, which is naturally attractive. Tricks number 3. Understanding the power of mystery. There's something undeniably intriguing about a bit of mystery. While it's important to be open and honest, leaving a little to the imagination can work in your favor. Mystery creates curiosity, and curiosity keeps her engaged. One way to cultivate mystery is by not revealing everything about yourself all at once. Share pieces of your life gradually, allowing her to discover more about you over time. This keeps the relationship dynamic and prevents it from becoming stale. Mystery isn't just about withholding information, it's also about being unpredictable in a positive way. Surprise her with unexpected gestures, plan a spontaneous adventure, send her a thoughtful message out of the blue, or introduce her to a new hobby you're passionate about. These surprises keep the relationship exciting and show that you're not afraid to step outside of routine. However, mystery should never be used to manipulate or play games. The goal is to keep things interesting, not to create confusion or insecurity. It's about adding layers to your personality that she can discover, rather than creating a facade. Tricks number 4. The art of active listening. Active listening is one of the most underrated skills in building a connection. It goes beyond just hearing her words. It's about truly understanding and engaging with what she's saying. When you practice active listening, you show that you value her thoughts and opinions, which fosters trust and respect. Start by focusing entirely on her when she speaks. Avoid distractions and really tune in to what she's saying. Use verbal and non-verbal cues to show that you're engaged. Nod, smile, and make eye contact. Paraphrasing what she says and asking follow-up questions can also demonstrate that you're paying attention. Active listening also involves being patient. Sometimes, people need time to articulate their thoughts, especially if they're discussing something personal or difficult. By giving her the space to express herself fully, you show that you're there for her, no matter how long it takes. Remember that listening isn't just about understanding her words. It's about grasping the emotions behind them. Pay attention to her tone of voice and body language, as these can reveal how she's truly feeling. Responding with empathy and validation strengthens the emotional connection between you. Tricks number 5. The importance of nonverbal communication. While words are powerful, nonverbal communication often speaks louder. Your body language, facial expressions, and even the way you touch her can convey more than words ever could. Mastering this aspect of communication can deepen your connection and make her feel more comfortable and attracted to you. Start by being aware of your own body language. Open, relaxed postures are inviting and signal that you're approachable and interested. On the other hand, closed-off body language, like crossing your arms or avoiding eye contact, can create distance. Facial expressions are equally important. A genuine smile can put her at ease, while maintaining eye contact shows that you're engaged and interested. Be mindful of your expressions when she's talking. Nodding or raising your eyebrows can show that you're actively listening and reacting to what she's saying. Touch is another powerful tool in nonverbal communication. A light touch on the arm during a conversation, a gentle hug, or holding her hand can create a sense of closeness and intimacy. However, it's important to be respectful and ensure that she's comfortable with physical contact. Pay attention to her cues. If she responds positively, it's a sign that she's receptive. Tricks number 6. The subtle art of compliments. Compliments, when given sincerely and thoughtfully, can be a powerful way to make her feel special. But there's an art to giving compliments that goes beyond the obvious. The key is to be specific and genuine, focusing on qualities that she values in herself or that make her unique. Instead of generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," try to notice and comment on something more personal. For example, if she's passionate about a particular hobby or interest, compliment her dedication or skill. If she's wearing something that reflects her personality, acknowledge how it suits her. Compliments don't always have to be about appearance. In fact, women often appreciate when you notice and acknowledge their character, intelligence, or sense of humor. For instance, if she's been working hard on a project, compliment her work ethic. If she made you laugh, tell her how much you enjoy her sense of humor. However, be mindful not to overdo it. Too many compliments can come across as insincere or make her feel uncomfortable. The goal is to make her feel appreciated, not to overwhelm her. Compliments should feel natural and spontaneous rather than forced or calculated. Tricks number 7. Mastering the art of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool in any social interaction. By sharing stories, you can convey your values, experiences, and personality in a way that's engaging and relatable. A well-told story can captivate her attention, create emotional resonance, and even subtly influence how she perceives you. When telling a story, focus on making it vivid and relatable. Use descriptive language to paint a picture, and don't be afraid to express your emotions. A story that evokes laughter, empathy, or even a little suspense can leave a lasting impression. It's also important to choose stories that reflect the qualities you want to highlight. For example, if you want to show that you're adventurous, share a story about a time you took a risk or tried something new. If you want to demonstrate your sense of responsibility, tell a story about a time you had to step up and take charge. But storytelling isn't just about talking, it's also about creating a dialogue. Invite her to share her own stories and show genuine interest in what she has to say. This exchange of stories can create a deeper connection and help you understand each other on a more personal level. Tricks number 8. Balancing independence and togetherness. One of the most important aspects of a healthy relationship is finding the right balance between independence and togetherness. While it's crucial to spend quality time together, it's equally important to maintain your own interests, friendships, and personal space. Independence is attractive because it shows that you're confident and capable of standing on your own. It also gives you more to bring to the relationship. When you pursue your own hobbies, goals, and social connections, you have more experiences and perspectives to share. At the same time, being together and creating shared experiences is what builds the bond between you. Make an effort to plan activities that you both enjoy and take the time to connect on a regular basis. Whether it's going on a date, cooking a meal together, or simply having a meaningful conversation, these moments strengthen your connection. Communication is key in balancing independence and togetherness. Be open about your needs and listen to hers. Respect each other's boundaries and be supportive of each other's personal growth. When both of you feel valued as individuals, the relationship becomes a source of strength and joy. Tricks number 9. The power of patience and persistence. Lastly, winning her heart is often a journey, not a destination. Patience and persistence are essential in this process. Relationships take time to develop, and rushing things can often lead to misunderstandings or unmet expectations. Patience involves understanding that building a connection doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. Be willing to invest in the process without putting pressure on the outcome. This doesn't mean you should wait passively, but rather actively engage in the relationship while allowing things to unfold naturally. Persistence, on the other hand, means not giving up at the first sign of difficulty. Every relationship will face challenges, and it's your response to these challenges that defines your character. Show that you're committed, not just when things are going well, but also when obstacles arise. However, persistence should never cross the line into pressure or insistence. Respect her boundaries and be mindful of her comfort level. Persistence is about demonstrating your genuine interest and effort, not about forcing a connection that isn't there. Conclusion. Mastering the art of psychological tricks to win her heart is not about manipulation or deceit. It's about using psychological insights to foster a genuine connection. At its core, winning her heart is about understanding, respect, and the ability to communicate on a deeper emotional level. Each lesson explored key elements like empathy, confidence, mystery, active listening, and nonverbal communication, all of which play vital roles in forming a strong bond. When you approach her with empathy, you show that you truly care about her thoughts and feelings. Confidence and authenticity allow you to present your best self, making you more attractive and trustworthy. The subtle use of mystery keeps her intrigued and engaged, while active listening builds a solid foundation of respect and understanding. Nonverbal communication and well-placed compliments can convey your intentions in powerful, understated ways, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere for both of you. Moreover, storytelling enriches your interactions, adding depth and relatability, while balancing independence with togetherness, shows that you value both your time together and your personal space. Finally, patience and persistence emphasize that genuine connections are worth the wait and effort, highlighting your commitment and willingness to grow with her over time. Ultimately, these psychological insights are tools to enhance your ability to connect meaningfully. They are meant to be used with integrity and respect, guiding you to build a relationship that's not only romantic, but also rooted in mutual admiration and trust. When you apply these principles with the right intentions, you not only increase your chances of winning her heart, but also create a strong, healthy, and lasting relationship that enriches both your lives. Remember, the most compelling aspect of any relationship is the genuine connection that develops when two people truly understand and value each other. By mastering these psychological techniques thoughtfully, you can not only win her heart, but also ensure that the bond you build is as real and enduring as it is deep and meaningful.